Farland Classic Restoration around the shop, August 2020. We're starting this time with some pretty colors here in the showroom. From our newly arrived green 911S to a pair of pretty E-types, the interior of a stunning new Range Rover, and our Boss Mustang 302. There's plenty of bright summer colors popping up around here. As for the rest of the video, that's all Porsche. Remember, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Our electric Porsche 912 project is moving along over in the shop. We're setting up the installation of the motor and transmission. Next up is getting 10 batteries in the right place, and yes, we started with the filler cap. Why not start there? We also just finished some paint restoration and a serious detail on this absolutely gorgeous 1961 Porsche 356 Super 90 T5 Roadster. Our team has a great eye for getting the most out of existing paint. This extremely rare classic Porsche will soon be in our showroom for sale. Matching numbers, original colors, and plenty of documentation. This classic checks every box. Email for more info. We're also working on a 356A Convertible D, another extremely rare Porsche, also built by Drauz of Heilbronn in Germany. It's just out of media blasting and into metalwork. We'll be doing a complete restoration on this amazing car. Here's the engine out, waiting for a rebuild from our mechanic. Stay tuned for more. And we have just purchased this 1977 Porsche 911S in factory ice green metallic. It is a beautiful car in very good shape. We're considering doing an electric conversion on this car as well, but with only 84,000 miles, it might be a good candidate for a traditional restoration. Interested? Just let us know. Remember, you can always subscribe by clicking here, visit our site here, watch another video here, and please give us a thumbs up down below. Have a project? Call the shop at 303-761-1245. Thanks, and see you next time.